Hi guys, I'm Ayushi, your mentor for law entrance exams, and welcome to Law Digest. So up till now, what has been happening is that I have been telling you this should be your strategy for preparing for any law entrance exam. So अभी तक सिर्फ मैंने बातें करी हैं आपसे कि आपको किस तरह से अपनी preparation करनी है. Today I have something else for you. Today I have an aspirant like you, rather I should say a law student who cleared her exams, who cleared her law entrance exams recently, and is here to share with us her strategy as to how she prepared and what all she did to get through these law schools. So what are her educational qualifications? I'll just briefly share with you. So she is Gargi Bhattacharya. She scored 49th rank in Delhi University law entrance exam with 265 marks, and she also gave BHU exam along with this, where she scored 42nd rank with 303 marks. She's done her a bachelor's in biochemistry from University of Calcutta. Let's have Gargi here with us. Hi Gargi.
Thank you, ma'am, for the lovely introduction.
Welcome to the channel. So Gargi, as I see that you've done your bachelor's from biochemistry in biochemistry. So what really interested you towards law? When did you decide that you want to go for law, and what made you come to this decision that you want to opt for law?
So I have completed my bachelor's in biochemistry from University of Calcutta, as you have mentioned.
Right.
So after that, I did a postgraduate diploma course in sociology.
Mm-hmm.
So along with that diploma course, I was preparing for 3 years law entrance exam only for the sole reason that I had like passion for the law subject.
All right.
So I found this subject very like challenging. So for that, I opt to study this subject. And that's how I started my preparation. And I started early in the beginning. So from the beginning of 2020 itself, I started the preparation for the 3 years law entrance exam, mainly for DU or BHU. And fortunately, I happened to clear both these exams
Yes.
with decent and good ranks, I suppose.
Yes.
And thereafter, I decided to pursue my LLB from the esteemed Faculty of Law, Delhi University.
All right, Gargi. So, Gargi, what is the material that you consulted for preparation of these exams? Because as we know, there are 5 sections in both the exams. So, how did you go about that? Figuring out what is the right source, right book, right material for you to prepare for these exams?
So, firstly, I went through the syllabus and past year papers uh, to gain a fair idea about both these exams, that is DU and BHU.
Right.
I bought the Universal's Delhi University LLB entrance test solved papers and also the BHU past year papers. So I mainly did my preparation from the Universal's Guide to CLAT and LLB entrance exam book. For Indian polity, I did selective reading from M. Lakshmikant and also solved MCQs from Objective Indian Polity book.
Okay.
The Universal's Guide was not sufficient to cover the legal section.
Yes.
Thereby, I bought some courses from Law Digest on IPC, contract law, tort law, constitutional law, along with legal GK and current affairs. The Law Digest study materials and YouTube channels were of great help in my preparation.
I'm glad to hear that.
I also read the Indian Express, mainly the editorial and ideas pages.
Right.
For English comprehension based questions. The logical reasoning and math sections are generally quite easy and scoring.
Right.
For that, mainly I practiced the past year questions and also practiced the problems from online resources as well.
Okay.
And a few months before the exam, I bought a single SketchUp current affairs book.
Okay.
But unfortunately, I couldn't complete it. And last but not the least, I gave several mock tests before appearing in the real exams, that is DU and BHU.
Right. Okay, so as you mentioned about mock tests, that brings me to my next question, which is that how many mocks did you give, and what do you feel is the sufficient number of mocks that one should give, and also when should a person start giving these mocks?
As I have mentioned earlier, that past year papers and mock tests are of utmost importance.
Right.
So many a times the questions get repeated directly from the past year papers. And I don't remember the exact number that how many mocks I gave in total. but I have given a lot of mock tests from various sources.
Mm.
I gave many mocks prepared by Law Digest as well.
Okay.
And in fact, a few questions were directly from them.
Oh, great. Okay. So, BHU and DU, as we say, you've prepared for both the exams. Many viewers of ours are also in the same boat that they're preparing for both the exams because, as a backup, even though one wants to get into DU as a backup, it is necessary that you prepare for other exams as well and give other papers as well. So, as you also did the same, how did you manage to balance the preparation between these two exams since the pattern sort of varies?
I studied at my own pace, and the two exams are quite related to each other. So they are not poles apart.
Right.
So in DU, the legal section is given a more
Weightage.
like bit importance,
Right.
and so in BHU, the legal section as well as the logical reasoning, the math section. So all total, like in BHU, everything one needs to cover.
Right.
And in DU, the legal section is given a bit more importance.
Yes.
So if one practices the past year papers and like reads the materials of legal section thoroughly, then one can get through like both the exams. And also like for BHU, I would like to suggest that practice a lot of like maths and logical reasoning questions from online resources as well, and see the past year papers. So solve them, so that might add like an edge to your preparation.
Right. Okay. So, Gargi, as we see that you started preparing from 2020 and there was COVID also. So, how much time did you exactly devote to these exams and what was your daily routine like?
I've mentioned earlier that there was no fixed routine as such in my preparation. So I studied at my own sweet pace.
Okay.
And as I have like noticed by analyzing the past year papers, that DU has no specific pattern of setting their questions.
True.
So that's why I tried to cover as much topics
Mm-hmm.
as I could before the entrance exam. So due to this COVID-19 pandemic, like all the exams got postponed. So as a result of which I could buy some more time for my
Right.
preparations. So my strategy would be like revising the past year papers at least thrice, solving a lot of MCQs, and keeping a track of the current affairs and the latest legal developments, and also giving a lot of mock tests.
Right. Okay. So, Gargi, were there any difficulties that you came across during your preparation? What were they? We would like to know about them.
For most of us, due to this unprecedented pandemic,
Hmm.
there had been lack of motivation, doubt, hopelessness at times. But amongst all odds, the desire to get into a good law school got me going.
Right. So COVID worked like a double-edged sword for you. It did give you time to prepare as well, but at the same time, it was really exhausting to wait for the exams, to revise again and again. I think that happened with a lot of students this time. So, Gargi, what are your future plans? We would be interested to understand that where would you see yourself 5 years down the line after you do your law?
As of now, like after LLB, I have plans to work in the corporate sector as an associate.
Yes.
And I am quite fascinated by the corporate work culture. And I guess it is also financially rewarding.
Right.
So that's what is my future plans as of now.
Corporate law is coming up a lot, so I wish you very good luck with that. So with this, Gargi, I'd like to end this video. Before going, one thing that I would want to understand from you is what is that one secret mantra that you'd like to share with the viewers that they should follow when they're preparing for such law entrance exams?
So there is a saying that practice makes a man perfect.
Right.
My only advice or mantra to the students would be to keep practicing as much questions as possible. So there is no alternative to practicing questions. The more you practice, the more marks you fetch.
Hmm.
So all the very best for your 3 years law entrances from my side. And thank you so much, Ayushi ma'am, for being a great law mentor throughout.
It was a pleasure, Gagi, having you here. And thank you for sharing your strategy with all our viewers. I'm sure this will work as a benefit for everyone, and they'll have some learnings from this interview of yours to understand that how should they go about their preparation. And I wish you all the very best with your future in your all your future endeavors. And I'm hoping to see you working with some corporate law firm, and wish you all the very best for all your endeavors. So, guys, that was Gargi with us. I hope you could understand from her strategy. Basically, she kept saying again and again that she followed past year papers, gave a lot of mocks, and she really focused on the practice bit of it. So, to clear your law entrance exams, it is important that you have a good analysis of the past year papers. I have certain videos where I have analyzed previous year papers. You can watch those as well. And to understand what each exam is about, to understand what are the important topics, that is very important. Before you start preparing for any exam, before you sit for an exam, it is important for you to see what the whole exam is about. So that is how you should be going about it as per Gargi. And also you should practice as much as you can, practice as many questions as you can for preparing. In case you have any other doubts, any other queries that you would want to put forth, you can mention the same in the comment box below.